Hello everyone, my name is ANMOL VISHWAKARMA. I am from Madhya Pradesh and I have completed my BTech from Technical Institute of Technology, Excellence College of Madhya Pradesh. And I joined JSPIDERS in the month of June, and later I joined FSDI. And in FSDI helped me a lot. And our HR ma'am, Chaitra ma'am, aid me in 5 requirements. There are 3 rounds. In the first round, assessment round is there, same as all aptitude, reasoning, verbal, combination of all the things in the first round. And the second round, they give one pen and paper, and they given some coding questions, and need to write some coding questions on the Java, and also give some tables to write SQL queries. Okay, in the last round, both HR round as well as technical rounds are there. So I want thanks to all my faculties, Raj sir for Java, and Dhanush sir for programming, Salman sir, Anupma ma'am, all whole my QSpider team. And I also want to say, when I joined here Java full stack, so that's why I am confident in Java full stack. So that's why I am thankful to all QSpider family. Okay, thank you.